Assalamualaikum, all of you. I am sharing with you in which we will talk about the tilapia. The scientific name of tilapia is the Oreochromus niloticus, and all the information that I'll discuss in this video is very valuable about the tilapia. Mostly the common names of tilapia are Nile tilapia, Nile perch, red belly tilapia, freshwater snappers, mojora or nanny or set batters fish. If we will talk about the production of the tilapia, the largest production in Asia is happened in the China and Indonesia. But in Asia, China and Indonesia is not native about tilapia production, but all other countries import the tilapia. Native countries which have tilapia's production is the Africa and the US states. If we will talk about the features of the tilapia, the main feature of the tilapia, what it is the hardy. Tilapia are the hardy fishes. What are the hardy fishes? Hardy fishes are those fishes which can bear the fluctuations in their normal condition. For example, if temperature will fluctuate from 1 to 2 degrees, then this fish can survive in this condition. Fast growing fish that can live up to 10 years and reach 10 pounds in weight. Tilapia is shaped like a sunfish or crab and are easily identifiable. What are the things that are very important about its identification is the lateral line characteristics of the cichlid family of the fishes. They are literally compressed with deep bodies and have long dorsal fins. The foremost portion of the dorsal fin is heavily spined, but spines are also present in the pelvic and the anal fins. They are usually white vertical bars of the dark coloration found along the sides of the fry, fingerlings, and sometimes adults. If we will talk about the feed of the tilapia fish, it is herbivorous, mostly survive on planktons, algae, and other vegetable matters. As a result of their feeding pattern, they do not accumulate toxins in their body. Wild tilapia can spawn throughout the year, with female producing as many as 1,200 eggs per spawn. Some species deposit eggs into the nest while other species are mouth brooders. Tilapia have both character that it can lay their eggs into the nest or it can retain their eggs into the mouth, in the male's mouth. For the protection from the predators. Most wildly farmed are the mouth brooding species because even though they lay fewer eggs, the fry have a much higher survival rate. If water quality and temperature are manipulated to a favorable environment, market size fish can be obtained in 7 to 10 months. We can differentiate between the male and female tilapia. Here is the identification of the male and female tilapia. In male tilapia, you can see the urogenital aperture or genital papilla or anus. But in the female tilapia, you can see urinary pore, then genital papilla or anus. In its identification, its dorsal fins are very uh, showing here, and these are very thick dorsal fins. We have already discussed its pelvic or anal fins are also present, but mostly fins are present on the dorsal side. You can see here the caudal fin that are present on the tail, anal fin, anal spines, and pelvic spines, which are present on the pelvic fin, and pectoral fin are also present in it. Here is the picture of the tilapia in which you can see the male and female tilapia. You can differentiate from this part which fish is the male tilapia and which is the female tilapia. Thanks for watching.